Hey there, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. I'm Mark and I'll be showing you how to draw a dump truck. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, some markers, and if you have it, a straight edge ruler and a circle template. But this drawing is a beginner drawing, so you can do this all by freehand, but if you have those tools, it'll be much easier for you. So starting off, I'll take my ruler, my straight edge ruler, and I'll draw the ground line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of my page right about there. Then what I'd like to do is grab my circle template and we'll draw two wheels. Now this is going to be a pretty big dump truck. So I'll draw one wheel. So if you have the center of your page right about here, if you go over to one side, okay, we're going to have about a wheel's width in between. So let's draw a circle right here in the middle. So if you go over to the left of that, we'll draw a circle there. And then we'll go over to the right of that and we'll draw another circle. Just like that. Then inside of this circle, we'll draw the rim. So I'm going to pick this smaller circle right here. So I'll try to find the center. Okay, and I'll draw a smaller circle in there. Now I'll do the same on the other side so we keep the same sizes. So I'll do one right here. And then I'll do a slightly smaller ring. I'll go back to the other tire. And on the front one, we'll do a small like hub shape in the middle. Like this. Okay. So now the next thing we'd like to do is draw the main portion of our dump truck. So right about here in the middle of your wheel, right there, if you come just to the front of that, just a little bit forward of that, you can draw a line at an angle like this that comes up like that. If you grab your straight edge, we can draw another line that comes off to the left like that. Then we'll draw a line that's horizontal to the ground. So it's in this same direction like that. We'll go all the way up here like this. And we'll draw a horizontal line like this. Then on this side of the truck, we can draw an angle to the right. Okay, and then what I'd like to do next is create the framework around my dump area in the back. So I'm just going to create a horizontal line like this, and I'll find the same thickness down here approximately. We'll do another line like that, and then we can draw a vertical line there. Could draw this little angled line that's the same angle as this over here in the corner. Okay, now from here I'll extend this and continue this line up a little bit, and then we're going to hook this over to the right and we'll create another horizontal line. Now this line is going to end right where the tire ends right here. So if you draw an imaginary line and just put something right there, then you'll know how far over to extend this line. Something about there. Now if you go over the front wheel, it's not a big deal, it's fine. So then the next thing I'll do is roughly the same width here. You can do another line right over here. And then this tapered line here, we'll want to find the same edge like this, but we're going to change that angle a little bit more. So we'll just come down a little bit more aggressive there. And then this could be rounded slightly at the top. Okay. Then we'll have a little piece that creates a shadow. So we're going to follow that line there. And then we'll have a line that comes like this. And then this one will end right around there. Okay, let's go back to our rear section. And I'm going to create a horizontal line that almost goes right to this corner, right over here. So if you draw a horizontal line, this will go and it'll stop just before, and then we'll come down like that. And then this structure right here will do the same thickness approximately, and we'll come down from there. All right, next I'll put two small circles. I'll do one right about here. So this, they could probably put some like cables to kind of tie down canopy over top, so that if they have some load in the back there, it won't like go all over the place. And then back over here, I'm going to create another line, create these shapes like, and just keep going up the back. Like a compressor and all this cool stuff down in here. So we'll go from right about where the center of your wheels are. If you drew a faint line across, you want to come down a bit, almost to like where this inner ring is right there. And then we'll just draw this line, kind of comes across. Okay, and then you'll have another line right about here, doing the same thing like that. And then if you go back to the dump truck area here, we'll just do another line at an angle here, and then this will come down like that. Okay, so then what we can do is we can draw two vertical lines like this. We can draw another line over here, and then we'll have this kind of come down and then back up. And then over here, this will kind of come up and over. All right, now let's draw the cab. That's where the operator is going to be sitting. So we can come down from this line right here, and we're going to come right about here, and we'll draw a horizontal line like this. And then right above this wheel, we're going to come up to something about here. So almost like, see where this line is right here? Somewhere about there. And we'll draw a line across. Now this can extend beyond the front tire. Let's just kind of run that right across. Then let's draw another line right here. Then what we can do is we'll draw this rectangular shape right about there, and then this will taper at an angle. So this will be like our front windshield, and over here this will be the back windshield. Now you can follow the same angle that we have over there. So if you come up from here, that could be kind of the same angle like that. Now I'm going to create this framing around my window. So I'll just echo that shape there. I'll do two lines that come down there, and I'll do another line for the front. And I'll join these together right there. And then if you like, you can put another line across this direction. So we can come around here, then we can kind of step this down a little bit and have this come across like that. All right, then we'll put this little rectangular shape over here like that. So this will be kind of like this step. And now this part that we extended forward right here, there's going to be like this ladder because it's so high off the ground they need something to kind of stand on. So what I'll do is we'll draw a line down right about here. So now see where your front tire is. We want to come like somewhere about here. So we'll come down like this with 2 bars. Then we'll do a small one right here. And then this will have like a couple splits in it right there. And then over here, this will extend out just a little bit further and come down to something like that. We could do a second line on the edge. And then right here, we'll just add a couple more steps like that. Try to space those out equally if you can. Now I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go roughly about where this is here. We'll extend a piece, and then this will come up at a slight angle. Then we'll have a little box right over here, and then this will extend just above the tire. Now we're going to have these shapes that come across like this. So this will be like a double bar right there, and then we'll have another bar right over here. And then these shapes can kind of taper and connect like that. Okay. Then what I'll do is we have to connect this cab to the dump rear section. So at an angle from here, I'm going to come up slightly like that. And I'll just erase this little line right there. And then right about here, I'm going to come across horizontally. I'm going to do a second line. Comes like that. And then we're going to have this shape that extends down over here. So this line will come down a bit, and it's going to come to the right. And then we're going to follow this same angle here. We're going to come up like this. Okay. And then this one's going to come from here. We're going to taper and get wider up here. And this will actually curve into this shape. Okay, because we're going to have another piece that comes down and at an angle like this where the tire is. And then you're going to see some shapes over here that are kind of like open. So I'll do a shape like that. And then we'll have a small opening right there. And then you could just put some like little line details if you want. All right. So I'll erase a couple of these lines there. And then down over here in the front of the tire, let's take this line that was extended there and we'll come down just a little bit. We'll go over, and then we're going to come up at an angle like that. And then this is just going to come across. I'm just going to have this like shape there. We'll add a couple circle shapes. Okay. And here, I'll actually remove this lower piece because I think we have enough ladder right there. Now this can come at an angle right over here. And then there's going to be a little bit of a bump out from here, like that, and then we'll have like this line right over there. All right, and then from here, we'll have this little like chain ladder that kind of comes down. And this will be like connected here. We'll just put a couple extra step areas there. So we'll outline that in black later on. All right, now for my tire and my wheels, I'm going to go and add a smaller line that goes just inside of this wheel right here. something about here. I'll do the same on the other side. We'll just draw some lines like this. And when I render this, you'll see if you put 2 lines, you can go ahead and just add 2 lines if you like. And this will just keep going all the way around. So you want to be going almost like from the center. You want to be kind of taking your lines from the center. So just go all the way around. We'll do the same in the front. This same outside wheel shape, and we'll come in just a little bit like that, and we'll draw a line there, and we'll do the same on this side. We'll come from the ground and we'll just do a line like that. So that's going to be the other wheel on the other side. So there's going to be a little exhaust type shape back over here. So if you kind of do something like this like rounded shape right over there. And then we can create these like little buttons, little bolts, kind of holding things together. Draw a few more lines, do an extra box down here, like that. We can go back up into the cabin where the operator is going to be sitting, and we can create a seat. So his seat's going to be over here, and it's going to kind of come out at an angle like that. You can draw the inner piece of the other side of the cab. That's going to be kind of showing like this. And on this side, this will be down right about here. All right, then we'll have this piece that kind of sticks up from here. This is like the mirror so that our operator can see behind him. And we'll have this console that kind of comes up with the display, and there'll be like this steering wheel that's somewhere about there. The last thing I'll do is I'll just create these little railings over here. So I'm gonna have like a line that comes up, and there'll be like this little railing that comes across, goes all the way over here, kind of like split down there. We'll have another one that kind of comes up and carries over right there. And we'll have these little mirror shapes that kind of stick out, kind of show the front of the beast, kind of looking down. And then we'll have another railing right about here. It kind of comes up just like that. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab a Sharpie or a black ink pen, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my dump truck. Alright, the next step is I'll just use an eraser and erase all my pencil lines. Then I'll grab my markers and start markering this in. If yours didn't turn out quite like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description and you can click on the link. Then that'll allow you to download a copy of the coloring page, and you can color this in just like I'm about to do right now. So have some fun. Well, there you go. I just finished drawing a dump truck and coloring it in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and also subscribe to the channel, because I do videos every weekday and I don't want you to miss any one of them. All right, guys, until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one.